Hey you guys, alright, so before I even talk about this hair, I'm going to share with you that first of all I got this hair from sisterwigs.com, but sisterwigs.com also has a sister site which sells cosmetics. So they have a lot of makeup such as LA Girl, NYX, just a lot of stuff. Guys, check them out. The links will be down below in the description box. So I just wanted to share really quick with you what they sent me, you know, just as like, you know, samples of what they provide on their site. So the first thing I'm going to show you is these LA Girl matte flat velvet lipsticks, and this is what they look like right here. This one right here is called Gossip, and this is a pretty red color. If you guys want to see like swatches of these lipsticks, just let me know. I'll probably swatch them on Instagram as well, so be sure to be following me there. So I have that one, and I have 3 other colors, and the 3 other colors that I have here is called, this brown one right here is called Runway, and then I have a color called Love Triangle, which is a pretty purple, and then there's Electric, which is a really nice hot pink color. Also, the color that I have on my lips right now, I'm going to annotate that because I don't have that lipstick in front of me right now, so I'll just annotate this pretty nude lipstick that I'm wearing right now. So also they have this LA Girl Setting High Definition Spray, which I did use today, and I must say I slept on this because this is amazing. I love the way this feels on my face. I love the fact that it mattified my face after I did my makeup, so I'm loving this. I will be repurchasing this really soon as that one is ran out. Another thing that I have is this LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. I also slept on this. I used this today as well, and I'm showing you guys clips of me, you know, just putting it on my face. This is before my makeup, and the setting spray I use after my makeup. So these together combined, I absolutely love. This is amazing. I don't know, but for some reason my makeup went on completely smooth today with no problems, and I love the finish. So I would definitely recommend you guys picking this up. Again, all of the information and the links will be down below in the description. So let's get into this hair, shall we? Yes. Okay, again, so this is from sisterwigs.com, and this is the Sensational Empress Lace Wig, and the style is called Jazzy. And the color that I have this one in is SOM99-1, which is a like a 1B / burgundy at the bottom, you know, like a 99J at the bottom. So, okay, so yeah. First of all, this is a yay or nay, so I really need you guys to let me know what you think about this unit in the description box. I'm going to tell you my opinions. First of all, I do not like this unit for several reasons. First, I don't like it because it sheds a lot, and I'm going to show you the shedding in my brush. Like, this is my brush, and this is all of the hair as I was brushing it that came out of this wig. That's a lot for me just putting it on for the first time. So yeah, I'm not feeling that. It also came off in my comb. I used my comb first, and there's hair all in my comb, so I don't like this shedding. Alright, so I also do not like the way that this unit is made. I'm sorry you guys, I can't just come on here and lie and be like, oh well, yeah, this wig is so pretty. No, if it's nice, I like it. If it's not, I'm going to let you know. That's just how it is, and this is why I do these reviews, so that when you guys purchase a unit similar to this, I'm quite sure you want to know all of the do's and the don'ts. So I'm here to tell you both. I don't think there's anything that I like about this unit. I don't like the way the hair feels. The hair feels kind of really coarse, as if it's over processed. You know, when you get a perm and keep it in too long and your hair just feels really brittle. This is how this hair feels, so I do not like that. I don't like the way the cap is made. It's like I had to go in, like right here where the part is supposed to be. I'm not supposed to be able to do that, you guys. Like, I'm not lifting the entire wig. I'm just lifting this right here. Like, this is so loose, and it's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be laid. Like, I tried to lay it with my curling wand here, and you know, it laid a little bit better, but I shouldn't have to do all of that with a unit. When you buy a unit, especially one like this, you just want to be able to put it on and go. Like, it does not look like this. this is what it looks like on her, and this is not what I got. Like I don't have this. This wig does not look like this. I purposely chose this unit because I absolutely love the way it looks on the model, but when I got it, of course, it does not look like that on me. The curls are not like that. As you can see, they're all over the place. Even before I brushed them out, they were still like all over the place. So it's just like, really? Now, it's really, really long. This unit is ridiculously long. It's about maybe 24 inches long. Like, that's crazy. And, like, I'm not even over there. All right, so as I was saying, this unit is really, really long, and it's actually too long, and it makes the hair tangle like crazy. So the length of this hair is just too much. Like, it's just too much. I'm going to end up cutting it. I'm going to cut like all of this off. Like this right here is coming off. Like I cannot deal with all of that because it's making the hair tangle like crazy. Again, with the way the hair feels, which like I said, it feels really coarse, and then you have this long coarse piece at the end of it. It's just like, what is this? Like, this is not the way the model looks. I don't know what this is, but I'm quite sure there was some kind of screw up somewhere where, you know, this unit is not what it is. I did try to make it look a little more realistic and, you know, put a little concealer in the part. You guys saw clips of that as well. And like I said, the hair is just really, really not what I expected. And so yeah, you guys, that's what I have to say about this unit. You guys can let me know in the comment section how you feel about this unit. I mean, I like the way, the only thing I could say is I like the way they attempted to style it. Like, this bang is really cute. If the curls were going the way they were supposed to go, then I would be in love with this hair, but that's just not what this is. Like, these curls are fluffy and like I said, even before I combed them out, this is exactly what it looked like. So you saw it in the clips that I put the wig on. That was my first initial putting it on, and it still looked like this. So I'm not sure what's going on with this unit. It's tangling, it's shedding, it doesn't feel good. This is a no for me. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think. Don't thumbs down the video because you don't like the unit. Thumbs up the video for honesty and me bringing you guys like an honest review. Like, I always bring you guys an honest review, but this one right here, I'm not feeling at all. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Again, in the comment section, I'm dying to know what you think about this unit. If you have any questions, if I might have left anything out, even if you have any suggestions on how I can get this wig to look like the card. Like, what? Like, this is, no. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Oh, and don't be discouraged from shopping at sisterwigs.com. It's not their fault. They did not manufacture this unit. This is straight from Sensationelle. So yeah, please, by all means, shop at sisterwigs.com, and also sisterwigs21 for your accessories and everything like that. So yeah, you guys, on that note, I will talk to you all later. Bye.